Welcome to this Ogbonge show again, Love Court. In case you don't forget, now this is your number one host, where they call Christian Ochili. Yes, a guy with too much sauce, too much swagger. Not say today now, I look kind of look, very young today. Not be like all those people like say, you wear coats. Just got all this kind of my people now. When you say I be old man, say I be young guy. I'm just 17 years old, and today I deal with other young people, my fellow young people for the studio. Yeah, my sister. Yeah, I beg introduce yourself. You don't feel come to the show before now. You don't feel one of our episode. Miracle. They tell us they talk on more. They know now. You know what blow? And my brother there, my fine brother there, my kiki brother. Yes, Ezekiel Saru, particular show. Because of this particular episode, I make address like this. Because because this particular one, they affect not only they affect adult but now younger people, younger generation, now they from all those 18 to 30 something, and they this particular thing will pass.
Even 13 don't even be
okay, this topic today now. Online dating. I think small people put online dating. A very, very important thing there. But before we go in detail, before we start to analyze the thing one after the other, based on how it affect relationship, we go pledge to the honorable court. You go put your right hand for your chest. You go say I
Ezekiel.
I am Ogi Miracle.
Pledge to this honorable court.
Pledge to this honorable court.
Say anything when I will talk for you today.
Say anything I will talk for you today.
Will be the real matter.
Will be the real matter.
And nothing but the real matter.
And nothing but the real matter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Yes. Now welcome again once more. Now we welcome now officially. So our topic today, as we talked before, our topic today now online dating. Brother Ezekiel, I bet you go analyze what do you understand by the word online dating.
Okay, what I understand by the word online dating on my own idea. Now where you see get me like for Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram, that one Twitter.
Okay, for social media.
And that be connecting me. So you go come to start for there. The girl come gree for her. I know say now online. I mean everything they go snap. Not be like I mean a physical. You first toast. You go tell you say I will give you feedback. Okay. For live it's now sharp.
Yeah, sharp.
So as you talk to her, you tell her say send me your picture. So like that. The dating don't start. The dating don't start. For there, if you can say, oh yeah, come and see me in my house.
Okay.
But sometimes the online dating they end well. Sometimes it don't end well. We can wait till sometimes when I experience sometimes I date one girl for Facebook. So when they have their account, the love for everything come.
They call Akuna love. They call Akuna love. Okay. My sister, what do you yourself, your own understanding, your own interpretation, what if you tell person say maybe online dating?
Online dating for me. And when two people, one a girl. Okay. See for those social media, internet, either Facebook or any other social media. Okay, that be almost the same thing when almost the same thing.
Okay, now how you see him? You encourage him. Now good thing. Anything better fit come out from him.
Yes. Encourage online dating in some aspect too, because I don't see person when online dating favor.
How?
Because the girl, let me not say girl, lady. Yeah, she meet her future husband on Facebook, but they're currently married with 2 kids.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me say.
Both of them in London.
They London.
Yeah, they London there. Why the girl in Nigeria?
But when they marry, we don't know because at least as they two meet for Facebook, they marry for Facebook. We supposed to be there, you know. No, that just by the way. Continue.
Yes, both of them meet. Maybe the guy like her piece, which I don't know how they didn't meet, but I know online they meet.
They didn't meet.
When they talk, the guy say if they come back, so both of them just meet. I feel what the girl now. People that are married now, don't travel out with 2 kids.
Okay.
Well, some aspects, you know, they favor some people.
Okay. You never date for online?
No.
Why? You never get person where you ever ask you out online?
Yeah, I don't get, but I'm not just interested.
Nigeria guys.
Yeah.
Because I just again one particular country. I don't want to call the country name. They say as far as you be girl, say one of that country person does send you nudes, does send girl nude. Say those people when they can send nude, they can ask for dating for online. No one call the country name because maybe the time of someone go that country now, you know, come give me passport and say they talk about that country. Okay, now we don't see here some story where some person they see this person like that for online. One never tell me happen for Edo State, Benin City. The girl, they can't go meet. They can't go meet for public. They can't go visit the guy. They know they date to talk. They talk. Only for them to go reach there, the guy can't kidnap him. Then call the ask. No, now in a radio now. If on a radio, we tell you that. So now I forgot the radio name, but they don't pay me for advert. So they can't. So now the boy now call they can't use the girl phone now. They ask the girl family for ransom. So you understand this online dating, and the same this online dating too. We don't see people like say they don't get more than 5 relationships for online, and that online they end. Just the way you say they hack your relationship. So and some persons don't see because say they date for online, so they like the person. They don't see maybe put their money or maybe send their money to that person as one of our guests go say invest in money. You understand? Put for that person. So now, how you feel say we go fit manage this thing? Because every good thing gets a bad side. How you feel say we fit manage this thing so that the positive side say now you come meet girl for online. You see the girl piece, you see her waiting position, everything where she wants, she get an Inkiroka and Azuka. You understand? She get all of them, both shock observer, back shock observer, and front shock observer, everything there where you like her. Then maybe you can go chat her, she can reply you small time they share picture, small time I don't do a video call. They like the way she did talk, they bust your head. You understand? Now, how do you now proceed from there, from online? Because at the end of the day, not the picture. Now you want it. At the end of the day, not be that video you want. You understand? This dating wey we dey talk so, not be software, na hardware. You understand? You must see me, I see you at the end of the day. But don't now like this start to how do we now proceed from that place? Knowing fully well some people don't see comot go like that. They don't from Sokoto, they go Kafacha, won't go see man for there will not know how they waka again. Some boy don't see use that one, they go. Not knowing say the girl where they go meet, the girl get another physical hardware boyfriend for there, will be Jabuda. Understand? So how do we now proceed? How do we now take it out from online successfully?
Okay. You want to take the relationship come off online, bring it to physical. Well, first of all, now for the online they will tell the start small. Okay. You start to ask her, what's your dream? Those kind of things she will tell you, say what are your plans for futures? Okay. So she will tell you say, or if when your breakup finally out, you say, would you like to get married now? Okay. So if you can say yes, okay, let's see and talk more. From there we can go and see your people. Okay. Then the relationship started, and
you know they get the point. Now we know the relationship already starts. Una don't dey talk. Una don't talk all this matter now. Okay. Now una won't come proceed. Una won't come act physical see. And knowing fully well that some persons are not the way they are online. They not do like that. And apart from the looks online, because no girl they get people for Instagram. Instagram for big people. I never see any girl we get people for online. I never see any girl we get stretch mark for online. I never see any girl we get eczema for online. All those things online they remove her. In fact, online they remove body odor. Online they remove mouth odor. Online you too much. In fact, social media you are too much. So now you won't come carry this relationship. Instead, all these things, all these many things will surround them. We'll be like say, really, this person, you like the way the person they talk. You don't already even know the work where the person they do, because sometimes the person fit the office, you do video call, I'm in the office now. The person fit go, if he just the toilet now, you go do a picture now, I'm in the toilet now, I want to ease myself. If he just do now, okay, I went to buy puff, now you don't they follow the person activity, you don't they follow the person program. Good. You don't know the way the person they be. No, if you just call to you say someone annoying me, I don't like this thing. These are the things I don't like. Understand? You don't they know the person don't and like. Good. But how do you now bring that thing successfully come at then come they play am make they see the sweet the same way for the sweet for online make all the sweet now for real life? How do you now bring it out successfully? Where we know say some people person wey dey thief kidnapper no dey show you don see anybody status wey show say I be kidnapper?
No. We never see.
You don see anybody status wey show say I be rapist?
No.
So now how do you now bring that relationship out physically? Without causing harm. That's one. Okay, my sister, you shook mouth for that part. But you're not there. So you are no, you know, so I be guess my intelligent and feel they find my way.
Everything for this life get disadvantage and advantage.
Okay.
So when we're talking about online dating, you get someone they favor. I get someone they favor. If you feel you don't know more about this person, you know they talk. You don't know about the family itself. That's okay. Maybe we are four. We get first. You don't know more about this person. The girl, you don't feel fall in love with the person because sometimes communication feel making people fall in love with somebody. Personal communication, you don't know they talk. You don't feel okay. I like this person. So the way we are confident meet, and for you to date as the girl or the guy, maybe not different states or maybe not feel they the same state. Self they talk online. Feel the person okay? Can we see? So for you to let go favor you or even the person I read because I feel the scam.
Yes.
I will get serious guy.
Yes.
But all your follow up with you.
Yes.
So if it be okay, that one not be short relationship, we know. So don't even feel work hard. Okay, maybe we just okay, can we see? We can't really fit taking a really good person, not be scam. We can't see physically. We not talk. We not the date online already.
Yes.
And when I talk, we not really know okay, this one now they show now talk. And when they come, when I really see not be kidnapped, person not kidnap you, not talk, not just see for real, for physical, not be online. You don't come up from. You want to really know. If you favor you, if you not favor you.
Okay, normal, even for life, even for real life, relationship, if favor you, if not see favor you. But my point now, I never carry hammer, eat am for head. Now, the meeting, and that meeting now, because the meeting now the meeting now be the scary part. So that's meeting now be say you don't know this guy where they go meet now. If they find person who want to do what we go. You understand? So as if the find person go, he must present himself where give you, those things where guys they like that attention, he will call you 20 times a day, you understand? The constant communication you talk and so can make you fall in love.
Yeah.
He will give you that care, that time, they tell everything, they give you daily activity. Now, una wan come see now. How we go take plan now? We be like say nobody go fall victim. Say even if this person na kidnapper, at the end of the day, you no go see me kidnap. If this person na only go, you no go see me take go the person. You know after go, you understand? So now how we go take do? How we want take plan the meeting? Because that meeting now they call that meeting now they take kidnap that girl. That they kidnap the girl say if I boyfriend go. Now in the control money making venture. The guy now carry phone, they call the family, see the family, call the family. How you see me they take plan? How you take plan that kind of acting?
Okay. You really dey plan that kind of acting because your own normal sense.
Yes.
Get ready to talk to online for over months. You know quantity na kidnapper. So you wan come go say okay, make police follow you reach road, make police wait.
Yes.
You no fit think am because normal you no dey think say okay, this guy dey serious. You just feel say you don't know more about this guy.
Yeah.
So that kidnapping on other side, you no go think am. So for you, normal, no fit to just go see
this guy. This is my Prince Charming.
So the way for me, you know after you know the person na kidnapper or not anything, and for you to just go try.
Go try.
Okay.
You
nice.
for you.
Nice agenda, man. Since you already know the person, but now for the girl or the boy to be wise.
Okay.
You feel call and say, okay, babe, I come this location, and you tell and say, okay, look at my appearance. So I'm white shirt and black trouser, but now that will be really waiting you wear. So now just for you to first see appearance and first observe the scenario, the area where you come. So when she come or when they come and you see her the way she stay there, nothing, not suspicious. you just feel okay. Baby, yeah, look at me, yeah, we can. If you come out there, do something.
I still get something to contribute.
Okay.
But the society within now, trust nobody.
Alright.
So for those online dating, when you fit see person online wey you really like, but you don't really know more, you don't really know the person, you don't really know the person more. So for you, girls wey go meet guy, try for that state, say go meet somebody you never really know. So we need to dey wise, we need to dey cautious, not just get that free mind say you wan go with the person. Because with your family sef, sometimes even your own blood sef dey do something bad to you. So stranger wey you never know, wey you never see before, always dey conscious as you wan go see am. Not just use free mind, you wan go see somebody you never see before.
Many persons always dey conscious.
Yes.
Not think. Alright, it don't be long day. It don't touch the matter small. Online dating, they talk and say, not be bad thing. Na very good thing. Now, yeah, so many people, as my sister talk and say, don't see person. People like say, she meet her husband for Facebook, which now they be our in-law. Because all of us dey Facebook, but they never could give me, check me I take day as a in-law concern. So the media says, so many people, we don't see here many people they meet their love, say, we started with the I, and today we are married. We don't see those kind of things. Yes, not very good thing. But we don't see they hear so many stories of people where they kidnap, people be like say they go out, go see the person where they date online, the person can rape them. So now, how we go fit successfully bring out relationship come planet Earth, come the physical Earth wey we see without wahala. First of all, if you dey go out, you wan go meet the person wey be like say you dey date online. Make sure that place na public place.
Yes.
If na Tantalizer, if na Kada Cinema, if na Mind Eyes, I dey do free advert for this people. If na Cold Stone, if na public place, because these places they get security, they get other people. Na fit just gather, meet, na fit just meet for that. At least that place, that na first meeting. And if you see they go that kind of waka, no waka kurukere waka. Let most times girls they do this thing. Maybe they won't go see the abobo now. They no go want let anybody know. That time I tell mama say, I want to go and collect textbook from Jessica's house. Now mama put that mind say, my Jessica ask me go collect textbook. Whereas you dey go meet Okoro. So nowhere to be found. So if they won't come find you now, they'll first start from Jessica. Whereas Jessica now fit just there ask they do that thing, or Jessica never there around that period. So all these things they make us sometimes we don't hear people like say we hear your missing person. We don't know how they take miss, how they take waka. So if you dey go out, you won't meet person. Yes, you don't meet this person, na true that they love each other. Both the boy, both the girl, because we know they say na only girl. Because boy if they see they talk to girl for online, either they fall in love with the girl. He not know say the girl na even guy. So they use another girl picture. If you see their profile picture, everything. If you see people sending you videos, you don't get video, don't make them. If you see Photoshop now don't big past the way it be before. They can Photoshop anything. So if you won't go out, go meet person, you won't affair, now don't they love on yourself, you won't go see them, you won't see physically. Both as a guy, as a girl, make una meet for public place. And as they come up for us, tell one or two person, say, see where I dey go, see who I dey go meet. If you know, in fact, if you go even give that person, I don't see person won't come meet on that person. He say, as I go meet this boy, so he give a mother the boy number. You see person where get sense. He give a mother, say in case if they call her, the physical the girl say, so person say they come meet you. Only that myself, the boy go know say, people they are here. Because some will not come out and not let their parents know, say they go, not let their friends know. Maybe sometimes some they university, they school, they get roommates, they come out, they excuse space to their roommates, they not let their roommates know say they go anywhere. Because this is now we youth they happen to. So now that be my advice. Say anywhere if you go, let person know where you they go. If not to hand over give the person, or even tell your friend, say, see the person when me they date online, see the person name. Sometimes they put a good make your friend, a friend of your friend, and another friend of so as they be your friend for Facebook. I'm not to know this girl. You see good me and see know this person. As this person is my friend. That's why Facebook always they bring that thing. People you may know. people you are mutual friend and people you may know. People you may know. Now friend to another of your friend for Facebook where you don't know. So now make all those things. So that be my advice today. I believe we have been able to convince you and not to confuse you about online dating today. So I hope you don't learn one or two things from waiting my Ogbonge people here talk and for waiting me myself drop. Today we'll draw the curtain for here. We don't get exciting the topic. We don't get a very educating topic today. We go to see they come meet you every Wednesday with this Ogbonge program they call Love Courts. The only court where we not dey persecute but rather we dey analyze. I remain Christian Ocheli, your number one host for this show, the talk master, your guy with too many swag, the only guy that they call Mister we never even see marry self. Now maybe so Love Court we see they come. Don't forget to subscribe now so they watch and so not just watch, subscribe and share to your friends, share the good news to your people around you. Thank you. Peace here.